Welcome to Web Handling. My name is Dave Roysum. I am super excited to continue our new series on finding things. In this show, I will show you how to find builders of web machines and suppliers of web machine components. They may also be a good source for web handling expertise. The reason that machine builders and component suppliers might be good resources are obvious: new machines and upgrades to old machines. Machine builders can also, on occasion, be a source of expertise. We will elaborate on that shortly. However, finding suppliers may not be as simple as you might guess. For example, there may be 200 builders who can make a winder. Some winders are desktop size, and others wind rolls at highway speeds that are as big and heavy as a loaded semi-truck, and everything in between. One way that you might already use to find suppliers is by simply looking around in your own plant to see what makes and models of machines you already have. The advantage there is you have first-hand knowledge about their performance, at least for that model and that application. Word of mouth is also a good source. Word gets around about who supplies what and how good they are. Trade shows are another excellent source of supplier information. The best will often have exhibits, and exhibitors might answer questions beyond what you can find in their catalog and on their websites. Contrary to what you might expect, Google or any other search engine is not usually a good place to find suppliers. The problem is similar to using Google to find information about wrinkling. If you type wrinkle into the search box, you'll get pages of Botox treatments and other hits that will not be helpful. Let me share some great news. There are 2 excellent online directories for builders and suppliers to the converting industries. The first is the Sourcebook by the Association of Roll-to-Roll Converters. The second is the Buyer's Guide by the Paper, Film, and Foil Converting magazine. This also has a decent directory of contract converters and test labs. Whether suppliers are a source of expert is a hit or miss at best. Many of the people who you might meet from those companies are salespeople who may or may not have an engineering degree or even extensive industry experience. However, there are certainly many exceptions. For example, I once met a chemical salesman who knew much more about web handling than most everybody else. Consequently, he helped his customers in many ways way beyond providing mere chemicals. Your challenge is finding those 1 or 2 technical experts who might know much beyond what is in their catalogs or on their websites. No discussion of machine builders or suppliers would be complete without mentioning the Web Machine Buying Guide by Destech. This book guides the buyer and the seller alike in the process of procuring new machines or upgrades, all the way from the initial queries to the installation and beyond. I hope you've enjoyed this overview of some of the most important sources for web handling knowledge. Stay tuned for next week's show, where we will show you how to find the original source for expertise. Experts. If you have a topic you would like to hear about, let me know in the comment section below. If you found anything interesting or useful here, please like and share and subscribe. See you next time.